In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Google Play Store to make purchases. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to show you the full process to set up the Google Play Store so you can make any purchases with convenience. All that you have to do is first open the app and sign into your Google account. If you need to sign in, you will be able to tap the top right corner of the screen, and once you are done at properly setting up your account, the first thing that you should do is head into the settings. Go into the settings and then tap the last option, About. In here, you will be able to update the Play Store if necessary. By making sure that you have the latest version of the Play Store on your device, you are going to ensure that you don't encounter any issues when making purchases, so go ahead and update the Play Store as necessary. Once this process is done, you can also look in the Authentication tab to require authentication for all purchases, but this is optional, so I'm going to go ahead and skip this. But keep this in mind, this might be helpful if you share your device with someone else. Once you are done messing with the settings and updating the Play Store, in order to finish setting up the Google Play Store to make purchases, tap on your profile once again, and now go into the Payment and Subscriptions tab. Go into the payment methods and you will be able to register a payment method to use for when you make any purchase inside of the Play Store. Most people will opt to add a credit card, so select this option or alternatively any other option that you see available, and you might have to confirm your country. Make sure that you select the corresponding one because this is going to be verified later. So I'm just going to go ahead and select United States as an example. If you selected add a credit or debit card, you will be able to input the card number and add it to the list. So I'm just going to go ahead and input a random number. Once you are done, follow the instructions on screen and it should appear under your payment methods. You will then be able to go back after you are done adding a payment method, and now you can browse through all of the apps. Find whichever app you want to buy and tap on the price. It will automatically bring up all the payment methods that you have registered to your account, so you can choose between them to make your purchase. I hope I was able to help you on how to set up the Google Play Store to make purchases. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.